This video is intended to aid the trained service technician in installing this particular Alto-Shaam appliance. Do not attempt to install this appliance if you are not a trained service technician. Service technicians may obtain the proper training by contacting the Alto-Shaam technical service team. Make sure to read and understand the installation instructions shipped with this appliance before you begin. The instructions contain important safety messages intended to protect you and the appliance from harm. When installing this appliance, wear personal protective equipment and follow local codes and regulations. Contact the Alto-Shaam technical service team if you have any questions about how to safely and properly install this appliance. This video will show you how to install the electrical supply, the water drain kit, the water supply, the liquid soap, and the grease collection system. To begin the electrical installation, remove the left service panel from the oven and locate the electrical schematic. Measure the diameter of the cord grip that will be used and remove the knockouts in the lower left panel as required to install the cord grip. Install the cord grip. When preparing the wires for installation, for safety reasons, the ground wire must be the longest wire. The reason being is that if the cord is pulled out of the oven and a high voltage wire makes contact with any metal of the oven, the ground wire is still intact, thereby completing the circuit and causing the overcurrent protection device to open the circuit. Insert the electrical supply wires through the cord grip. Connect the electrical supply wires to the appropriate terminals in accordance with the electrical schematic and any local codes or regulations. Pull on each wire to confirm the wires are installed securely. Adjust the length of the wires to allow for some slack and tighten the cord grip onto the cord. There are two drain kits available, one copper and one CPVC. The video will show you how to install the CPVC drain kit onto the oven. The copper drain kit installation is similar to the CPVC kit. The contents of the CPVC kit consists of two pieces of tubing 5 feet long and assorted fittings. Install the threaded fitting into the oven drain outlet. The oven drain outlet has an internal rubber washer, so thread sealant can be used, but is not required. Install a 90-degree elbow onto the pipe. Position the elbow at a 45-degree angle toward the back of the oven. CPVC glue must be used to withstand the high temperature of the drain water. Measure and cut a piece of pipe so the installed drain does not block any access panels or equipment that will be installed under the oven. The floor drain must be within 3 feet of the oven, but it cannot be directly under the oven. Finish the installation of the plumbing to the floor drain. Install the water supply to the oven's water inlet. The water supply must be installed with adequate backflow protection to comply with applicable federal, state, and local codes. Reinstall the left service panel. Mount the liquid cleaner support tray onto the left exterior wall of the oven. Slide the slotted openings in the support tray over the mounting studs. When handling the liquid cleaner bottle, wear proper personal protective equipment. Place the liquid cleaner bottle into the support tray. Remove the cap from the bottle and install the oven liquid cleaner supply tubing into the bottle. The last installation steps that will be shown in this video are for the grease collection system. Start by installing the ball valve into the elbow on the oven. The handle needs to be parallel to the side of the oven and accessible to anyone replacing the grease collection container. Remove the union fitting and elbow assembly from the grease collection container. Install the assembly onto the grease collection hose. Install the hose assembly to the grease collection container. Place the grease collection container in an easily accessible location and open the ball valve. The ball valve is open when the handle is in line with the valve. This completes the steps in this video for the AR-7T utilities installation. Alto-Shaam thanks you for viewing this video.